COVID-19 IgM and IgG Test Kit Colloidal Gold. Please read the instruction carefully upon receiving the kit. Test kit is composed of test card, diluent, blood lancet, disposable pipette, and cotton swab. Before testing, please tear the open foil pouch and place the test card on a clean and level surface. Before preparation of blood sample, gently wipe and disinfect the tester's fingertips with an alcohol cotton swabs. Gently pinch the fingertip once using the lancet and squeeze out the blood. Take appropriate amount of blood with pipette. Put 1 drop of blood into the sampling well, and then add 2 drops of diluent immediately. The results should be interpreted in 10 minutes. Any interpretations of results are invalid after 20 minutes. COVID-19 IgM and IgG test kit features easy operation, suitable for quick detection at home or hospital. Amomed cooperated with Chinese Academy of Sciences, developed rapid diagnostic kits for COVID-19. A large-scale production line with a monthly production capacity of 15 million units has been set up. It has received a large number of orders, more than 20 countries.